Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Jeep Cherokee's Bluetooth system. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. It's also a good idea to park your Jeep in a safe location before you start this process. Next, find the Uconnect system on your vehicle's dashboard, which is your central hub for connectivity. Once you're ready, press the phone button on your Uconnect system. This will open the phone menu. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Pair Device or Add Device. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your specific Uconnect version. After selecting, your Uconnect system should now be actively searching for new devices to connect with. Now, look at your mobile device's Bluetooth settings. You should see Uconnect or Jeep appear in the list of available devices. Select it. Both your phone and the Uconnect screen will then display a 6-digit PIN. Verify that these numbers match exactly. Finally, accept the pairing request on your mobile device to complete the connection process. Congratulations! Your phone should now be successfully connected to your Jeep Cherokee's Bluetooth. You can now make and receive calls hands-free and stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your vehicle's speakers. Remember, you can adjust various audio settings using your Uconnect system. For any specific questions, always consult your Jeep's owner's manual for detailed information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.